Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorial. So ngayon, let's have an example dito sa geologic sequence. No? Again, under Engineering Geology. So we have these key to fill patterns for rock units. So units in sequence diagram, geologic cross-section, and geologic maps can be given pattern fields that represents a certain rock type. No? So these are the various pattern fields for igneous rock. Yan. We have also pattern fields for sedimentary rocks and for metamorphic rocks. So let's have an example. So we have this geologic cross-section and then we're going to determine yung geologic cross-section ito. No? So kumbaga, meron tayo itong layer D which is coarse grain sandstone, M is mudstone, while B is the conglomerate. No? So if we arrange no, itong layers from oldest to lowest, no? So makikita natin no, by the law of superposition tsaka law of original horizontality, no? So makikita natin na itong layer D is andyan pa yan sa ilalim, no? Okay? And then on horizontal, ano pa siya? Layers, no? Yung bed niya, naka-horizontal, no? So using superposition and original horizontality, we determined that sandstone unit D was deposited first, no? And then after this, it was followed by layer M, deposition of mudstone unit M. And then after this, makikita mo nag-tilt yan. So nag-tilt. No? So there's an uplift and tilting and then may erosion na nangyayari. No? So a period of uplift, tilting, and erosion must have follow. Then, pagkatapos ng uplift, tilt, then erosion, doon na yung deposition of conglomerate unit, no? B. Okay? So, conglomerate unit B was then deposited last. So, ito yung pinaka-youngest event, no? Geologic event. So, ito na yung geologic sequence nung geologic cross-section na to. Okay? So, another example, we have this one, itong layer na to. So, again, if we rearrange this one from oldest to youngest, so makikita natin na yung layer B, yung starting point, yung pinaka-oldest layer, followed by layer T. Next is layer N and layer H. No? So by law of superposition, so kumbaga yung B yung oldest, and by the law of original horizontality, so kumbaga itong mga layers na to in horizontal, ano pa yan, no? Bedding. No? So ngayon, may uplift, may tilt, then kaya ganito yung itsura. So meron siyang uplift, tilt, and then erosion. No? Possible may erosion din. No? Anyway, so after this, yung layer H, no? So next is itong R, no? Kasi makikita mo may mga inclusion tayo dito, so meaning mas oldest to compare dito sa itong magma intrusion R na to, no? So we have this layer R, no? Then after R, so ito na, no? Yung deposition naman nung layer M, K, and then C. Then after this, yan. So meron tayong layer G natin. Then lastly is yung layer S and then erosion. No? So ito na yung youngest geologic event. Yung deposition ng S. No? Ayan. So yan yung geologic sequence natin. So let's have another example. So provided meron tayo ditong geologic cross-section. So kung i-rearrange natin to from again oldest to youngest, so we will start with layer X, no? Then followed by F, followed by J, followed by S, A, D, tsaka T. No? Then, ayun, ganun pa rin, no? Uplift, tsaka tilt, no? And then erosion, no? So, meron kang tilting na lang yung isulat ko. Pero meron pa tong uplift, tilting, then erosion, no? So, after this, makikita mo na may ano tayo dito, may diorite, no? So, kumbaga, kasi na-cut ng fault yung diorite. So, nauna yung diorite, no? Di ba? Nauna yung diorite. So, next is diorite, and then, kinat niya yan, including yung layers. So, makikita mo yung itong sedimentary layers na to, yung from X to J, na-cut yan, no? Ng fault. Kumbaga, may faulting na nangyari, no? Then after ng faulting, so ganun na, no? Deposition ulit ng mga sedimentary rocks na to. So we have Y, P, J, no? So B, and then Q, no? So may mga deposition. Then may kita mo na itong yung diorite na na-cut, no, nung basalt. So kung ibig sabihin, no, by law of cross-cutting sa relative age dating principle, so mas youngest itong basalt event, no. So bali luma na yung diorite, no, kasi kinat niya no? So bali nauna yung diorite then before yung basalt, no. So kumbaga yung basalt, so next yan ng Q, no. But pwede rin siya next ng Q or pwede rin next ng B, no, or next ng G, no. So di natin matansya talaga, no, di ba? So pwede kasi pag deposit ng G nagka-basalt, no? Or pwede rin pagka-deposit ng B nagka-basalt, no? Or yung after ng Q, no, pagka-deposit ng Q dumating itong magma intrusion, no, na naging basalt dito. Okay? So anyway, yun na yun, no? And then we have erosion, no? Yan. An even layer of ground, so meron tayong erosion. So yan yung pinaka-youngest event. So ito yung geologic sequence para sa geologic cross-section na to. Okay, another example. So yung ito. Ayan. So again, gawin pa rin natin to ng geologic sequence from oldest to youngest. So we start dito sa layer V, no? Kasi alam natin layer V yung start. So again, by law of superposition and law of original horizontality, so kumbaga ano pa yan, no? Horizontal beading pa yan, no? So kumbaga V, no? Followed by E, followed by J, and then followed by L, no? Then may kita mo naka-fold sila, no? So kumbaga may folding na nangyari, no? And after folding, so may kita mo, no? May kita mo na may erosion dito, no? Okay? And then pasok itong diorite, no? So meron tayong magma intrusion itong diorite, no? Ayan. Ayan, hindi yung granite, no? Kasi yung granite kinat niya itong diorite, So meaning mas bagong geologic event itong granite, no? At take note, kinat niya din itong mga sedimentary rocks, no? Dito. So after diorite, so may kita mo, meron naman tayong again deposition ng P, no? Pwede rin, no? Pwede mag-interchange na, no? So pwede diorite, no? And then nag-erosion, or pwede nag-erode muna yung mga folding then before pumasok si diorite, no? Okay, so anyway, sabihin ko na lang diorite then erosion. But pwede siyang magka-interchange, no? Then after nito, doon na, no? So deposition naman ng layer P, X, and then C, no? And then after C, makikita mo, meron tayo ditong granite, no? Kasi yung granite, then again, that is an igneous rock. So magma intrusion pa rin to, nag-cool down, no? Hindi to tubig to. Ano yan? Layer of rocks, no? Variation of color lang yung ginamit. Okay? So yung granite, kinat niya itong sedimentation dito. Tsaka yung ito, no? Yung folding, tsaka yung diorite, no? So meaning, bago yung granite, no? And after granite, yan, nag-erosion, no? Nag-erode to. Then deposition ulit nung A, and then F, and then erosion. So yan na yung youngest event. Okay? So yan lang man yung mga geologic sequence, no? So which is we use the relative age dating principles para dito. Okay, so I think that's it, no, for this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.